Statement and argument, our next chapter for logical reasoning. Now first let's understand some concepts like statement. A definite or clear expression of something in speech or writing is statement. Then let's know what is argument. A reason or set of reasons given in support of an idea, action or theory is called an argument. Now in questions for statement and argument, each question consists of a statement followed by two arguments numbered 1 and 2. You have to decide which argument is a strong argument and which argument is a weak argument. So let's see example 1. Here the statement is, should India encourage exports when most things are insufficient for internal use itself? Here the first argument is, yes, we have to earn foreign exchange to pay our imports. Now this sounds to be a reasonable statement with a solid reason of why it should be done. So it is strong. Then let's see the next argument. No, even selective encouragement would lead to shortages. Now this argument only highlights an apprehension without any proper reason. So it is not strong enough. Hence only argument 1 is strong. Then example 2. Here the statement is, should all the drugs patented and manufactured in Western countries be first tried out on sample basis before giving license for sale to general public in India? Here the first argument is, yes, many such drugs require different doses and durations for Indian population and hence it is necessary. Now this is a very reasonable argument. Here a proper explanation of the reason is given. That's why it is strong enough. Then the next argument, no, this is just not feasible and hence cannot be implemented. Now this argument is simply an objection without any reason and logic. That's why it's not strong enough. So the only argument which is strong is argument 1. Next example. Here the statement is, should India make efforts to harness solar energy to fulfill its energy requirements? The first argument is, yes, most of the energy sources used at present is exhaustible. Now this argument is logically reasoning with a sensible reason of why it should be done. Then let's see argument 2. It says, no, harnessing solar energy requires a lot of capital which India lacks in. Now, solar energy harnessing is an expensive affair for the setup of the project and plant. That's why this argument also is strong enough. So here both argument 1 and 2 are strong. Next example. The statement is, should there be student union in college or university? The arguments are, first argument, no, this will create a political atmosphere in the campus. Now, this is a fair enough reason to say no, because in most of the campuses, due to politics, unnecessary political atmosphere is created. So it's strong enough. Then the next argument, yes, it is very necessary students are future political leaders. Now this is also a valid reason. We cannot ignore the importance of politics in our life. That's why from student age only, students have to be groomed as future politicians. So here both 1 and 2 are strong enough. Next example. The statement says, should India give away Kashmir to Pakistan? Now it's an interesting question with an obvious no, but still let's go through the arguments. The first argument says, no, Kashmir is a beautiful state. It earns a lot of foreign exchange for India. Now this argument sounds logically reasoning. That's why it's strong enough. Next argument, yes, this would help settle conflicts. Now this statement is not reasonable because handing over a piece of a land to a opposition whose mindset is corrupt is not going to solve the problem. That's why this argument is not strong. So the only strong argument here is argument 1.